Alright, hello everyone. This is the PIDs on my FullSpeed Toothpick. When I got it, it was pretty poorly tuned, so I had to make some adjustments myself. It seems to be flying better now. The first things that I did was I raised the motor idle from 3 to 4. I also disabled the accelerometer to kind of free up some CPU load, and then I enabled air mode. It was disabled by default. I think that's everything I did on the configuration page. On the PID page, these are my PIDs here that I wound up with, and also my rates. The other thing I did was I changed the TPA value. The breakpoint was increased to 1700, and I decreased the TPA level from 0.1 to 0.08. The throttle limit was put in place. I just did 90%, and that's a scale throttle limit. Filter settings, only thing I did with the filters was change the low pass filter or actually I enabled a yaw low pass filter and set that to 100. Alright, and then I did a change in BL Heli. Let me get there. So in BL Heli, the change that I made was, I believe it was a DMAG compensation. Yeah. I think by default that was on low. I set it to high. I was getting some dips with hard yaw changes, and so I set that to high. I don't really know if that made a big difference or not, but I've never known it to hurt anything. So this is pretty much all my settings. Hopefully this works for you guys. Thanks for watching.